6th grade STMath. We're doing the first part, part 1. Oh, it does take a second to fly out. One of these pieces, two of these pieces would get me on my platform. So I'm going to double it. One of these pieces, two of these pieces, probably three of them. 1, 2, 3. I tripled it. Good. Oh, it's definitely more than triple. 1, double, triple. Oh, I think I need to quadruple it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadruple. Okay, so that is the first part that you have to do. The second part for decimal multiplication is the same idea. You need to get the green to land on the platform. My green is worth 3, but my platform is at 6. I have to double 3 to get to 6. Well, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, and that's on my platform. So I tripled my 6. It's 3 times as much. 2 to 8 is 4 times. Quadruple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times as much. 8 to 16 is double 8. All right, let's see the next part, level 3. Level 3, 4 to 8. I double it. Oh, did I double it? There's 1. Now the lines are showing up. Double. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. But we need to go halfway between 8 times 1 and 8 times 2. So we need 1. We don't need 2. This would be 8. This would be 16. We need halfway between 8 and 16. Now we have to make it smaller. 12 to 6, that's in half. We're multiplying it by 0.5. We're cutting it in half. 6, 12, double. We'll do one more, and then we'll go to the next one. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 18 is halfway in between one set of 12 and 2 sets of 12. So we need 1.5 groups of 12. All right, the 4th level is just going to get a little bit harder now. Now we're going to divide it into 4ths and 3/4 as well. 1 times 1 is 1, times 2 times 3. Okay? So we're tripling it, times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so we double our 3. So far, it's not harder. 6, oh, and we need something about 15. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 times 3 is 18. Well, halfway will work this time. So we need 2, that would be 12, 3 would be 18, and we need half of that. One more. Now we have to go from 15 to about 12. Well, half of 15 is 7.5. 3/4 of 15, so this is half. We need another half of it, or half of the half. So we need 3/4 of it. So there's one whole, which is 15. Half of it is 7.5, but we need a little bit more. Oh, I think it moved. There's a whole, which is 15. We need 3/4 of it. That was close. Half of 8 is 4. So I need half of it. When you move this, you can see the notches. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 0. That would be 1/4. Oh, it's tricky. So there's a hole. There's 3/4, 1/2, 1/4, and none. Okay, so that's not my real answer. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, and 4 times 5. I need in the middle of 4 and 5. 1, so there's 4, 8, 12, 16. Does it not go further? 20? That's not my answer. 4, 8, 12, 16, and then I need about half of it, 18. Okay, level 5 for part 1. Two to 8 seems like it's the same thing. We need to quadruple it. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we need to get, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. But it's halfway in between 2 and 3. So I know that's 2.5. 2, there's 3, so I need half of that. I think that's right. It might be a little off. Ooh, I'm really close. 20, 10. 10 is half of 20. I don't know if I have half. Oh, too much. So I'm going to pay attention to the way it naturally shows. 1. Oh, this one doesn't naturally go into the notches. So there's 1. So I need to picture about what half is. Do you think that's half? Oh, I doubled it? I don't know what I did. Okay, let's try again. Half of 20 is 10. Half. There we go. I don't know what I did. Half of 10 is 5, but it looks like I need a little bit more than half. So that's about half. We'll go a little bit more. Please don't die. Oh, there I go. My Gigi's safe. 6, 12, 18 is 3, and we're halfway. So we need 2.5. 1, 2, and a half. All right, now we're done with part 1, Jelly Blocks Fixed Platform.